Basement is 608 Pearl Street. Kitchen, first floor, 608 Pearl Street. Okay, and running upstairs to the bedrooms. 608 Pearl Street. Right there. There's a bedroom there, and then another bedroom there, and bathroom is right there. Okay. Okay, here we go. And